Greetings to all Autodesk Inventor users. In this video, I would love to present one of the useful tools for you and your design process in Inventor. The tool called Browser Nodes Rearranger, or shortly be Rearranger. Before we discuss the tool in detail and its benefits, let's just cover what it normally looks like in Inventor without the tool. When handling an assembly with multiple components, such as assemblies, parts, sheet metals, and standard content center parts, the cluttered appearance of the Inventor model browser can present challenges when attempting to locate similar components, or maintaining a tidy workspace. Sometimes it just looks messy and not professional, and investing time to reorder the browser is time-consuming. Autodesk Inventor has a very simple feature that arranges the browser nodes alphabetically, which is sometimes helpful, but in my eyes, it needs to have some option to work automatically in background. On the other hand, using the tool Browser Nodes Rearranger offers a wide range of functions that simplify the design workflow. Browser Nodes Rearranger is a highly efficient tool that reorders browser nodes within your model browser in the assembly document, enhancing the professional organization of your work. When the user clicks the Addin button, the tool will effortlessly reorganize all browser nodes, resulting in a polished and professional appearance. This enhancement goes beyond aesthetics. It significantly aids users in their design process. With the Inventor Browser Rearranger, users can easily locate all similar components grouped, making it simpler to assess their options and determine the next steps in their projects. The tool also allows users to quickly identify the number of similar components present within an assembly at a glance. To provide users with maximum flexibility and cater to their individual preferences, the Inventor Browser Rearranger includes a range of customizable features. Users can tailor the layout and organization according to their specific needs, enhancing both efficiency and productivity in their design workflow. The first option is Delete Empty Folders. This option allows the add-in to delete empty Inventor browser folders, helping to maintain a more organized browser. The second option is the folder name of Content Center standards. The Inventor Browser Rearranger tool simplifies the organization of standard content center parts, such as bolts, screws, nuts, bearings, and more. With this tool, users can easily create a dedicated folder for these components and customize the folder name according to their preferences. The third option is Trigger. This option provides enhanced flexibility in the operation of the add-in, allowing users to select from 3 distinct triggers based on their specific needs and workflow preferences. Before the Save Document event, this recommended trigger ensures that the add-in launches right before an assembly document is saved. The last option is Sort Order. By default, Inventor Browser Rearranger rearranges the model browser nodes based on their document types. 1 Inventor Folders, 2 Inventor Welded Assemblies, 3 Inventor Standard Assemblies, 4 Inventor Standard Parts, 5 Inventor Sheet Metals, 6 REST, Virtual Components, Component Pattern, etc. Lastly, it's recommended to set the trigger to before Save Document and use the Addin Inventor Autosave. This is a perfect combination. For more Inventor add-ins, please follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching.